Top 5 Tips Making My Own Money. Here are 5 tips to help you start making your own money. Identify skills and passions. Self-assessment. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Skill inventory. List your skills, from technical abilities to soft skills like communication or organization. Passion projects. Think about hobbies or interests you could monetize. Find a niche or target market. Market research. Identify a specific group of people who need your skills or products. Unique selling proposition (USP). What sets you apart from competitors? Customer needs. Understand what your target market wants and how you can fulfill those needs. Start small and build gradually. Minimal viable product (MVP). Begin with a basic offering to test the market. Iterate and improve. Gather feedback and refine your product or service. Scalability. Plan for growth and how to handle increased demand. Leverage online platforms. Social media. Use platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube to showcase your work and attract followers. E-commerce. Set up an online store to sell products or digital downloads. Freelance platforms. Utilize Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer to find clients and projects. Continuous learning and adaptation. Stay updated. Keep up with industry trends and new technologies. Networking. Build relationships with other entrepreneurs and potential clients. Feedback loop. Actively seek feedback and use it to improve your offerings. Remember, making money takes time and effort. Be patient, persistent, and don't be afraid to experiment. With the right mindset and strategy, you can achieve your financial goals. Would you like to explore a specific area, such as freelancing, online business, or side hustles?